Hey guys, yes, Amanda back to you with another live video. TGIF, happy Friday everyone. Hey Lenore, thanks for tuning in. If you guys are tuning in, let me know where you're tuning in from. What state are you tuning in from? I'm from New York. It's nice and cold here. Hey Zandra. And what I want to do is just share with you some information about Impact Mailing Club. Tomorrow is the last day. March 7th is the last day to get in for the promotion and bonuses. And I'm going to give you that information. I took down some notes. So I'm going to be reading from my notes. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to open up some packages that I received in the mail. Okay, so for those that don't know, Impact Mailing Club is a direct mail program where you can earn a full-time income from home by mailing out flyers. Okay, the company is going to provide you with everything that you need, priority mail, for you to get started. And with the bonuses, I'm going to give you some extra stuff to help you to get going, so you don't have to go to the store to get anything. We have Steve from North Carolina who joined in at the Emerald level. I received a $20 payout. And I have here one book of stamps. Okay, so thanks so much. Glad to have you. Oh, I'm sorry, 2 books of stamps. Glad to have you a part of the team. So what we're going to do is, for those who come in at the $250 level, you're going to be automatically upgraded to the $500 level, which is the Sapphire level. With that level, for me, you're going to receive 100 customized flyers. So I'm going to customize you your own personal flyer that you're going to send to your leads that is going to be provided by the company. Okay, so that's what you're going to get at the $250 level. It is considered a bump up, and that's the promotion that's going on right now. I have another payment here for Rob David from Illinois. Hey Linda. Hey Ontarian. Hey Mary. Thanks for tuning in. Hey Carl. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. I see you tuning in. Just tell me where you're tuning in from. Okay, so we have another payment, guys. My name on it. Came in a priority mail. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this payment came from Rob. Rob joined from Illinois, joined at the Ruby level. And I received a $50 payment. $50, 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Rob. Glad to have you a part of the team. So at the $500 level, when you come in at the $500 level, you're going to get upgraded to the Diamond level. Now, guys, the Diamond level normally costs $1,000. But for $500, you're going to get upgraded to the Diamond level. You're going to get from me 50 stamps, okay? So 50 stamps total. And you're going to get 100 customized flyers at the $500 level. Hey, Mary. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Linda. Thanks for tuning in. So that's what you're going to receive at the $500 level. Free bump up to the Diamond, 50 stamps from me, and 100 customized flyers as long as you join before tomorrow is the last day. So it has to be before the 8th, okay? Before March 8th. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Got another payment here from Tarina. Tarina from Michigan. Let's see what we have here. Tarina from Michigan. Okay, so Tarina, she joined here at the Sapphire level, and I received a $100 money order. $100, guys, and 2 books of stamps. So thanks so much, Tarina. Glad to have you a part of the team. Guys, please make sure to reach out to your sponsors so you can get everything that you need to get started. You always should have a website, okay? Customized flyer and a website. Okay, this came in from Barbara from Alabama. Let's see what we have here. She sends her payment in the magazine. So let's see, make sure this is empty. Barbara from Alabama. Here's the payment. And I always suggest you put your stuff in the magazine or put it in paper. That's always a good idea. And make sure when you're sending it priority mail, you get a tracking number. Hey, Tina, thanks for tuning in. So let's see what we have here. If you're watching this later on a day, hashtag replay for me, please. If you're watching this later on a day or another day, hashtag replay for me. So this person came in at the Sapphire level. That is another $100 payment and 2 books of stamps. These people have taken advantage of the promotion that's going on. And at the $1,000 level, when you join now, between now and tomorrow, you're going to get upgraded to the double diamond, which is the highest level. It's normally $4,000 to get in at the double diamond. You're going to get 50 stamps from me personally, 100 customized flyers. And at the $1,000 level, you will also get a customized free website. So you will not have to pay for your website. Normally, it costs to get the website, but I will give it to you for free at the $1,000 level. So let's add up and see what we have for this week. And of course, I'll be back with you guys next week. I have a birthday coming up. So I'm going to prepare for that and actually get some sleep because I had a long week. Okay? Long week. All right, let's see here. I'm going to open up. I got one more envelope here. We're going to open that up and then we're going to move on. So this came in from, I can't read the name. Let's open this up. This is another payment. This person came in at the Ruby level. I received $60. He did not send in any stamps, but that's probably why he sent in $60. So this person went from the Ruby level up to the Sapphire level. They took advantage of the promotion. Okay. So let's see what we have here. We have a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82. And then we have $230, $330, including the money order. And I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 books of stamps. If you're coming in during the promotion, please make sure to reach out to me and let me know that you are coming in during a promotion and you would like your bonuses. I can't remember everything, but if you know that that's why you're joining because of the promotion and bonuses, please be kind enough to mention it to me. Make sure that I have your mailing address, your complete name, and your email address so I can send you everything that you need in order to get started. Hey, Spring, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Willie. Hey, Crystal. Hey, Elba, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Michelle. Okay, so I just want to say thank you for everyone that tuned in today. TGIF, I gave you the bonuses, the promotion that's going on. Tomorrow is the deadline. It's the last day. You want to get in and take advantage of the leads that you're going to receive, the stamps you're going to get, the customized flyer, the website. Okay, not only that, you will have training material that will come to you priority mail from Impact Mailing Club directly. They will give you everything that you need on getting started, what to expect, and exactly what to do. Okay, so thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll be back with you guys next week. Bye-bye.